out here. It's all about the dark-skinned, light-haired characters. We need those all day, every day.
Alright, KDZ going to Songmina again, but Biblius going to Tillich.
Jackson has a message for you.
Look, I'm used to not number pad stuff. And then,
yes, he is.
And then we got NRS games getting me used to numbers for buttons,
right.
And the whole thing just gets confusing.
Yeah, that was pretty awkward to get used to. But I was like, all right, whatever. Ooh, try to go for that back GI. All right, so we got Biblius playing Killick. I haven't seen this Killick at all.
Yeah, I know he was playing in Summon Casuals, but I didn't see a lot of it.
Nice, nice,
nice! Oh, and the throw to finish it off.
I feel like he switched to Keelik because he's going to have a better range options to just stuff Mina's options. Because Keelik's got a lot of stuff that if he hits you, you just take stun. Like his 4B is pretty nice. He just like jets the pole, and if you get hit, you're just like, ugh. Ooh, whoa, that was a cool interaction. Got whiffs. Hey, I love that throw. Sick.
Ooh, big break attack.
Ooh, okay. Going for that low, yep.
Save his meter though. Oh no, he's gonna use his meter.
Closing out the round. I don't blame him. Better to spend the meter on your first round win than, you know, not and then take the loss.
Yes, I'm aware how the number notation works. I just start with forward and back and down.
Does Sophitia still have her AP counter? I had no idea.
Yeah, sorry, I can't tell you that one.
We can probably actually answer that question for you later, if you stick around. Also, make sure to follow the Twitch and subscribe to the YouTube. And you can also go to arayRun.com and sign up.
Is this going to kill? It's going to be close.
Yeah, definitely close. I don't think so.
Yeah, alright. But we got everybody's favorite move.
Yep. My boy Killick out here is like, those pants look comfortable. I want to pair them.
They've been sliced to shreds.
Like, I would wear that around my house. Ooh, yep.
Why is it going for the capris?
Ooh, nice. Okay. Alright.
Good damage, but is it too little too late?
Ooh,
another launcher.
Yep,
and that'll do it. First match goes to KDZ.
KDZ's catching a lot of 3Bs against Biblius.
Would you knock it off?
I'm glad Mina's back.
How about training at Songdojo?
Oh yeah. Ah, dude. Wasn't that the guy with the scimitar?
I thought that's a second Taekwondo guy.
I just learned something today. You learn something new every day.
Same thing.
So, somebody,
I don't know that one.
Somebody told me that it was pronounced how wrong. Like, wow. I think that's a joke now. I think it just went over my head.
Yeah, well, there's no B throws now. Biblius having a little character crisis here and going to Sophita.
Jackson with the autocorrect. Let's go.
Well, Jackson should get a mic if he wants to do that.
Alright, let's see.
Otherwise, I'm going to call her Shield Girl and he's going to like it.
Yes, that's what I mean. Like, I feel like that's a joke. I feel like somebody told me that knowing that it was BS.
Shield Bash way out of range. That one isn't, though. Sidesteps the launcher.
Shouts to everybody watching right now. Appreciate you showing up.
Oh god, that's gonna ring out.
That was his name, okay. Alrighty, back to this match now. Sophita taking the first round.
Sophita can feel very oppressive, but Songmina can definitely keep her bay with that fucking spear.
Right.
Sorry, Naginata. Actually, it's Chinese. I don't know what the right name is.
Yeah.
Whole arm.
Well, you can stick with spear if you're gonna. Well,
Nah.
I guess it's slightly different. Still, full arm's a little generic.
That throw. I love that throw. Let's go.
Oof. All right, stuffs him coming in with that low.
Woo.
Little just frame.
Okay. Fun facts about Baby Liz. Hey.
Oh yeah, that's gonna kill.
Yeah, man, that's happening a lot, Baby Liz. I don't know. I feel like every time I turn around, it's just that. You know?
Oh, he's landing that launcher a lot, and when it's gonna kill, he does.
Yeah. I don't blame him. It's definitely a good way to catch. Ooh! Lethal hit. I'm not sure if there was a
Doesn't get a lot
follow-up.
off of it, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know the options there, but it wasn't a lot. Oh. Just whiffing those launchers, but...
Let's see.
Good
Ooh,
sidestep,
tried to
another
go
good
for it.
sidestep.
Ooh!
Oh!
Dang.
That's only two, Phil. Sit down.
What are you standing up for? Shout out to Ricky Ortiz.
I'm glad you told me I was about to stop.
You got up quick as fuck. Look at that Mina pose. Just look at that.
All I know is
That sexy back. Them pixels.
the triangles on the back of the sleeves mess up my custom character.
Oh, really?
Why do you only get standard costumes as option? Like, can we get some more things in the custom character creation?
That's DLC, baby.
True.
But there isn't any yet.
I mean,
There will be.
yeah. What he said. I agree with him.
I'm sure there will be, but I want it now.
That's reasonable. That's reasonable.
Also, apparently I can't change the voice once I've created my custom character. That's lame.
Hey. Nice low. People is going back to grow. Down 2 though. He's gonna have to work really hard to bring it back. If he does, it's gonna feel so sweet. Oh,
Tough stuff there.
nice. Good side step. With the lows though.
Hit him with the low.
Oh, throw. Okay. Ooh, that's the left throw.
He evens up the life.
Ooh,
Oh,
another
and
throw.
that'll take it.
I love that throw, man.
I don't think anybody wants to see Hildy in this game.
Whoa,
so-
whoa. Stop. I was a Hilda fan. I like Hilda. She's cool. Yes, what he said. But did you see the stance she has? Look, I don't even want to go there with you, man. See,
Alright.
usually I agree with you. Right now, it's wall. I don't want to talk to you right now. Hurt my feelings. Check it. I still love you guys.
Ooh, good GI.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a grab.
Okay, even it up a little bit. Ooh.
Good sidestep.
Oh, yep.
Puts him off the edge. Alright, now KDZ's threatening to actually win.
Right. That unblockable was just a bit ambitious, but I kind of respected it. You know, just the general theme of it, you know. Gotta go big or go home. Nice
Runs
reversal
right
edge.
into the reversal edge.
I respect KDZ guarding that. Okay. Ooh. Good block. Nice GI. Try to go for that 6-6B. Oh, another grab.
Sidestep grab.
Okay. Low kick. Paint. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, and that's going to do it. Phil will take the tournament over Biblius. And Jaeger taking third place.
Alrighty.